What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my crypto journey. My name is Rodney, and welcome back to Meme Token Market, where we take a look at our favorite smaller cap community tokens and see what the heck is going on with them in our little crypto sphere. But today belongs to Saitama and Saitamask, and then I have some SHIBNOBI news for you guys. But first, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. I hope you're having an awesome Sunday, and I hope your favorite NFL team wins today. I'm picking the Rams and Bengals to go to the Super Bowl. I know I'm crazy, but I'm picking those teams to go to the Super Bowl. That is not financial advice. Do not make bets on my behalf. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So when it comes to news, the day belongs to Saitama, because today the swap feature is supposed to be enabled on Saitamask. Now, we had a little bit of a price pump yesterday, but it went down again. You know, the app is not working for a lot of people, but for me, I was able to log back into Saitamask with the credentials that I originally created my account for about 2 weeks ago. I was able to do that, so that's good for me. A lot of people said they had to make new credentials and make a new email and those sorts of things to get into Saitamask, but I didn't need to do that. But a lot of people are also saying that they can't log in today. So I put a poll up on Twitter, and it looks like 55% of people still can't get into Saitamask. Now, that's not good. Hopefully this is all smoothed out by the rollout later today, but we'll have to see, right? We have to wait and see. Guys, we cannot afford another botched launch. Saitama cannot afford that, right? A lot of people want to get into Saitama, or they want to get into Saitamask, excuse me, so they can trade for that sweet, sweet Lily Finance. Now, honestly, I don't think the app was completely ready, but I think that a lot of people wanted to trade for Lily Finance, so they're just trying to get this show on the road and sending it, even though some people can't use the app. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see, guys. But again, we cannot afford another botched launch. We just can't, right? Look at the price action, guys. It's not because Saitama's been great, it's because they've been missing the target on a lot of things. And the last huge pump we had was because there was anticipation for Saitamask. That was the last big pump. We got a little bit of a pump yesterday, and then it continued to dump. Now, I sent some Saitama to my Saitamask app. Now, I wasn't able to see it on my portfolio, but I was able to see it where you can load the Saitama for the swap. So it's in there, but I just can't see it in my overall portfolio just yet. So that's pretty interesting, guys. We'll have to see what happens. Of course, I'll be covering the story closely, mostly on Twitter. So if you're not following me on Twitter, go ahead and give your boy a follow. It's a good time. Now, SHIBNOBI news. Check out this video. This shit is hilarious.
If you want to talk crap, if you want to talk smack, bring it here. Don't hide behind the camera. Don't hide behind the keyboard. Be a man. Grow a pair. Look me in the eyes and you tell me the same things you do when you're behind the camera or behind the keyboard. Can you do that? Can you do that? I'm here whenever you're ready.
Oh, that is hilarious, hilarious. If we go to the actual SHIBNOBI Twitter, excuse me, it looks like trading is enabled on LBANK today. That's what I read. Yeah, it says right here. Shinja is now trading on LBANK exchange. A lot of people were asking me this morning saying, hey bro, I see Shinja on LBANK. What the heck's going on? Well, yes, you can trade it on LBANK. Now, last night I bought the little dip, and we're pumping a little bit today. Not too much, right? Only up 1%. But I bought the consolidation, not the dip, the consolidation, because I think this thing has a lot of catalysts and a lot more room to go. So we'll see what happens with this. I think it'll pump even more when we get on Gate.io and then on SafeMoon wallet swap, whatever the heck that is. So I'm actually really fired up about SHIBNOBI. Of course, I had that big burn last night where it was 1 sextillion SHIBNOBI burn, which is good because we need to lower that supply, especially if we want to get on bigger exchanges. But they said if we were to average over 1,800, price range, that we would get a big burn, and they stuck to their word and they did it. Now, something I also want to talk about here is FeenixV2. This thing has been going parabolic. This thing has been going pretty crazy, right? I got into this a little while ago. I did a paid promotional video for these guys twice, so keep that in mind. But this is not a paid promotional video. Now, their use case is still up in the air. I know what their use case is, but they need to start making steps towards that. But so far, it's been a good investment for quite a few people. This only has 342 holders. Be careful when you invest, but this thing's been out since the 13th. And usually when you see this big pump, you see a big dump, right? Immediately after, but this thing has been steadily increasing through the last couple of weeks. And I think that's because no one's really FOMOing into into this at on a big scale, right? Not yet, at least. So pretty interesting, honorable mention. Of course, we have some winners and losers here, but I wanted to make this video a little shorter and sweeter than the other one. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Are you excited for SHIBNOBI? Are you excited for Saitama? Are you excited for FeenixV2? I'm interested to hear your opinions. Enjoy your Sunday. Again, Bengals and Rams for the Super Bowl. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.